Night 2 was my son's birthday night celebration, and of course it was the formal night, or what they like to call now the dress to impress night. We took pictures all around the ship. I like to set up my little camera and take them ourselves, save some money on those photo packages. But of course we did end up buying a couple of the pictures. They set up nice backdrops all around the ship like this one, and they come out so good, you just can't help to buy a couple. Me and my son always do this funny one where I pretend I'm choking him, and each cruise we end up buying those too. These are the ones I didn't end up buying. As you can see, the Royal Caribbean logo is still over top of all of them, but I decided they were good enough to still capture and take with us. We then went to dinner. We always do the main dining room. The main dining room is included in your cruise fare. Each night you get to sit at the same table and have the same wait staff. It's wonderful. The main dining room on most Royal Caribbean ships is 3 levels, and they are just absolutely beautiful. This night was a taste of France, and the food was just spectacular. The first was the herb-crusted salmon. Highly recommend. I loved it. My son had the roasted beef tenderloin, and he said it was just deliciously tender. That warm apple cobbler we both enjoyed, and then my son tried the creme brulee, and I had to teach him how to break the top of it.
Side of your fork side.
All right, everybody.
We have a birthday boy.
We got the news on Indian CNN saying it's Liam's birthday. He's turning 17. Yes, so everybody, join us at the count of 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leo. Happy birthday to you. The next cruise area, they give you incentives to book your next cruise while on board, so definitely check that out. This was our window decorations, feeling naughty and time to get ship-faced. And our cute little elephant towel animal. I loved our cabin steward. He was great. And then I had 100 of these mini ducks, over 100, and I just hid them everywhere. People loved it. They kept posting in our Facebook group. And this was a really nice lady named Prinsa I met. She was so sweet. After that, I went to see the production show called In Concert, and it was really good. Caught the sunset quick, and oh my gosh, it was just beautiful purple pink skies, and just the sound of the waves was just, it's my favorite ever.
for the hot and sexy. 5 people of our rich and famous. No, they are 400. In 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go.
Go, go, go!
1, 2, 3.
I don't know this dance.
I want to see the hot and sexy. They're coming down, on the floor.
Woo!
Synchronize. Here we go. They know that.
Have to give a shout out to Gabe. He did everything from dancing, events, loved him.
That is 1. Wow. Again.
Oh, she's quick with it. Yeah, girl.
Oh, she's used to
Hold those balls.
Close your eyes.
Hold those balls. Woo!
Close your eyes. There we go.
You like
come here,
it?
Tessa.
You like
Tessa,
it?
Tessa, come here. All right, here we go. Come. Come.
Come on, girl.
Come, come on. There. That's the proper way.
Yeah, I like to taste to eat the pussy till I let it. I'm the type to make a beat it up and make me lose my mind, make me wanna
That's the end of night 2. Be sure to subscribe for day 3, where we finally pull into Bermuda at the Royal Naval Dockyard.